Hey everyone, my name is Brandon. I'm the manager here at Anytime Fitness in Wyoming, Rhode Island. So today is going to be episode 2 of my video series kind of on health, wellness, and pretty much whatever it is I feel like talking about that day. Feel free to post some questions that I can also answer in videos as well. So I just wanted to take some time to talk today about positive affirmations and how they can affect your life. So if you find yourself constantly getting bogged down throughout the day with feelings of not being your best, or if you're constantly telling yourself that you can't do something, or you're not a good person, or you're listening to other people's negative messages about yourself, you're this, you're that, and it doesn't really align with who you feel you are, there's something you can do about it. It's called positive affirmations. So pretty much when you find yourself feeling that way, or even when you wake up in the morning, you can do this too before you go to bed, just throughout the day. Give yourself a positive message. There's great resources online. I can even post a link to some of them that can give you kind of some ideas to start off with. But it's just going to be things along the line of, today I'm going to do better than I did the day before, or I am a good person, and just tell yourself that throughout the day. Some other examples could be, I'm worthy of good things in my life. Not that you so much deserve it, but I deserve to have a good life. I deserve to be happy. I am a happy person. I'm not a sad person. If you're going to constantly remind yourself all the time these positive messages, and then you really rewire your brain. You change the neurons in your brain that are connecting different parts of your brain that you're wiring these patterns for. If you're constantly telling yourself that you're not good enough, or you're not worthy, or you're this, or you're that, your brain is remembering that, and it's going to keep having you remember that. If you fill your mind with positive messages about yourself, I am happy today, I can do better than I did yesterday, today I'm going to work hard, today I'm going to do this, today I'm going to do that, I'm worthy of love, I'm worthy of happiness. It's going to rewire your brain from those negative messages and help you stay in a more positive mindset. It's going to give you more energy. It's going to give you the ability to function throughout the day better. And like I said, throughout the day, you can just remind yourself of those positive affirmations. Like I said, I'm going to upload a link to some different resources that will have some messages on there. But definitely feel free to make your own, whatever feels right to you. And when you do that, you'll feel a little more connection with those messages when you're the one who made them. So that's all I got for today. Like I said, post some messages or some questions, comments that you have, and I'll try and get to each question in a video message, and hopefully I can help some people out. Thank you. Have an awesome day.